Riley, are you playing with your towel thing? Are you playing with your towel thing? Close up. Oh, are you going to touch my camera phone? No, you're still playing with your towel? You're beautiful. Grandma, don't talk. I'm taking a video of Riley. You're going to eat your cereal. Hi, baby. Hi. You playing with your towel? Is that your mama? Is that your mama holding you while you're playing with the towel? Samantha, stop coughing. I'm taking a video.
Shut up.
Oh, you trying to get my phone? Hey, don't abuse the phone. You're too cute for that. You're too cute for that. Where's your hand? Oh, he's going to eat it. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. It's Riley-saurus. Riley-saurus. He's going to destroy you. Oh, he opened his mouth. Say hi, Riley-saurus. You can do it. Say hi. Say hi, Auntie. Say hi, Auntie. You can do it. What's the hand doing? Oh, you're just shaking your hands together? Is that what you're doing? Yeah?
He wants to pray.
Are you praying? Is that what you're doing? Are you confused? Oh, you're watching TV now? Oh, Hazel, bless you. His hand's in the way of my shot.
And you're in the way of my Riley.
We said bless you. Chill out, Grandma. Shut up. We're taking a video of Riley. Say hi. Say hi, Auntie. Say hi, people who are going to be watching this video. Say hello. Okay, Riley's watching TV now? Okay, alright. I guess.